y'all, so this video, like the thumbnail said, it's gonna be about that tower right there. Now, I always do this on my channel since the very beginning. If I make a mistake, I own it. If I need to change a direction or something, I own it. I might have made a miscalculation on this tower, but one thing that is absolutely 100% legit, look at all the growth, y'all. Look at all the growth. So sit back, relax. We're going to go over this tower. We are, what, 3 weeks in to this tower, and then the potatoes over in the container. They're doing great. Okay, so before we get to the tower, let's check out these potatoes over here. Now, if y'all remember, and if y'all saw the first potato tower video, the one that started all the controversy, I used pantry potatoes from the bottom of my pantry. That's what I call them, pantry potatoes, because I forget about them. They're in the bottom of the pantry and they start growing eyes. For the last 6 years, I have always taken those potatoes, thrown them in some soil, and grown more potatoes. Yes, they come from the grocery store. Yes, they have all the stuff that, says that they're not supposed to be able to sprout. But they do. So I used those potatoes in the potato tower, and I also planted, I think it was 4 potatoes right here in this container. Now, this container does not have any special soil, nothing. This is just old soil. So when I have other containers and the soil's really old, I throw in these other containers. I'll amend them with some compost or some vegetable mix every now and then, twice a year maybe, if that. Throw the potatoes in, and y'all, they do great. Now, I want you to see how these look before we get over there. These potatoes have more room. The sun is hitting them at a perfect angle, plenty of water, all that. Again, these aren't supposed to be able to do this because I bought them from the store. Remember that. So there you go. Pantry potatoes growing. And in the same soil, we got marigolds. Volunteer marigolds coming up. So these are doing great. And I have another set right there. Doing fantastic. I mean, look at that growth, y'all. Okay, so I'm always told, well, show proof, show update, show what happens after you make the how-to video. There you go. Growing potatoes isn't difficult at all, not in my opinion. Now this tower, let's go back over this tower really quick. I got these crates because I wanted to test out this theory, so I'm experimenting with this potato tower. Main reason I wanted to test this out is, well, there's a few reasons. One, I've seen this for years, and I was like, man, I gotta try that sometime. 2, if you need to grow something and you have a limited space, this is a perfect way to grow potatoes. But I think I might have miscalculated something. Here we are again. Everything's growing really good, right? And in fact, I just saw this. We have growth coming up here out of the top. Now, let me check the other sides. I literally just saw that. Okay. So we have growth here, there. We're just looking at the top crate right now, y'all. And really good growth here. Now the middle crate, we've got good growth coming right there. And then the bottom is looking really fantastic, right? Now, in the comments to the original potato tower video, not the comments that I did the other video on, one of the comments, or a few of the comments, were I didn't leave enough soil in the second and third crate to allow the potato growth, the stalks, to really grow like they did over there, like they're doing over there. Big, beautiful, bushy potato growth over there. And at first I was like, well, everything I read said you need to leave at least an inch from the bottom of the top crate. So I did that, at least an inch. Y'all, I probably should have left 2 inches, to be totally honest. And let me show you why I'm saying that. But again, this is an update video, So I want to show the progression of this. But check this out. I'm going to remove the top crate, and I want to show you what's growing right here and why I think I didn't leave enough room. All right, look at these. Should be big, full of leaves and everything, and they didn't grow out the sides like I had hoped they would have. These right down here, these right over here are all going to get really big. These are not. And there's no way for me to get them to come out the holes without breaking them. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that at all. But what I'm seeing is, if y'all remember, I planted 4 potatoes, 1 in each corner. And so far, I have growth in each of these corners. Now, let's check out the 3rd crate, the bottom crate. And I have not looked at this one in, I would say, probably a week. So that's about what I expected. Actually, I was hoping there'd be a little bit more growth on that bottom one, but we've got really good growth here. There's a little bit on the back side right there, and then you can see there at the top. Does the potato tower work? Yes. As you can see, those seed potatoes are growing growth. You know, there's growth. As you can see, there's growth coming out of the seed potatoes. I'm going to have potatoes when this is all said and done, but I didn't leave enough room for the growth at the top of each crate for them to come out the way they should. So how am I going to fix this the next time I do this? I think I'm just going to put in less soil, and maybe instead of 4 potatoes per, maybe only 2. That way I can more focus and direct the growth, the new growth, out the sides as opposed to out the top. Maybe. I don't know. Drop it in the comments. Tell me what y'all think I should do. I think what I'm going to do for this right here is I'm not going to stack them as a tower anymore. I think I'm going to take them down, separate them into 3 different places around the garden, and let each crate grow its own potatoes. I think that's the best thing to do, considering not all the growth is going out the sides like I was hoping it would. Again, this is the first time I've ever grown a potato tower, or not grown a potato tower, Chad. First time I've ever grown potatoes in a tower. So this is a learning experience. Like I said in the first video, it's all about experimenting, tweaking, having fun, adjusting, and owning mistakes, or owning the situation, owning the results, and then addressing them like I'm doing right now and moving forward. But I think that's what I'm going to do. So y'all drop it in the comments. 1, do y'all agree with what I'm going to do? Take the tower down and still separate them out. Now look, even if you're still in a limited growth area, say an apartment with a patio, you can grow potatoes in just 1 crate. You don't have to have multiple crates. That's the whole point of this, is to show that you can grow food, your own food, in a limited space. And y'all, it's working. I think that's what I'm going to do. But again, drop it in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. I wanted to show this video for a couple reasons. 1, I'm going to own the results of everything. It's on me. 2, I wanted to show y'all that pantry potatoes from the store that have growth inhibitors all over them, apparently, still grow. Throw them in some soil, y'all. Grow them. Now remember, they are a nightshade. They are part of the nightshade family, so make sure they're not next to tomatoes or peppers or eggplant or any of that. Keep them separate. Main reason for that is nightshades can share diseases and pests and all that. So keep them separated, keep them away, but throw them in some dirt and grow your own potatoes, y'all. You're gonna hear indeterminate and determinate potato types. Y'all, just take your potatoes, throw them in some dirt, see what happens. There's very few actual indeterminate potatoes, but I have done this for 7 years, 6 or 7 years, I'm losing track, and this works every time. I'm always going to get more potatoes than what I planted. So just do it. Have fun with it. Experiment. Think outside the box and enjoy this gardening journey that we are all on. All right, y'all, that was a quick, fast, down and dirty video on the results, or not the results, the update of what's going on with the potato tower. I hope y'all got something out of it. Hope you learned something. Hope if nothing else, at least I'm keeping my word and showing. So I got bugs crawling all over me. Showing y'all exactly what is going on with these potatoes, with that potato tower, and how I'm adjusting. And I think that's important. YouTubers need to really start showing real results, not all that, you know what I'm saying. All right, y'all, on that note, if y'all enjoyed this video, do me the 5 favors: share, like, comment, hype, and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Y'all take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you, and I will talk to y'all again real soon.